Well, the event yesterday really set some records, even some 24-hour rainfall records for January, too. We pretty much received entire months of precipitation in about one day, too. You can see the amounts here, well over an inch, inch and a half. Several areas saw that, a little bit less as you go further north and west, but all in all, quite a lot of precipitation, or rainfall, I should say, for early January. Kind of unheard of to see this amount. Usually it's in the form of snow, and thankfully it wasn't, because this would be an impressive snow total if we did have it all in snow. So we still got a little bit of river issue just on the Kickapoo right now. Lafarge, you're at action. All these other ones up and down the Kickapoo are expected to rise to action. Not minor flood, it looks like, because we won't see much in the way of additional precipitation, too. So they are continuing to rise, so that's something to monitor if you're along that river. Otherwise, everything else is in just staying in shape right now. We kind of skipped through the Saturday temperatures there. You can see Saturday, we're looking once again, temperatures getting back about the upper 20s. The thing to note with Saturday temperatures is this is what it's going to be like in the morning, that we're going to have falling temperatures through the afternoon time frame too. Now, if we time out the precipitation later tonight, it's going to be fairly quiet, increasing cloud cover, still mild, temperatures at or near freezing. We get back into the 20s briefly, but then they're going to be kind of steady overnight, or actually come up a few degrees too. There's that band associated with the cold front. It's going to be a narrow band that will eventually approach Eau Claire around 3:30-ish. La Crosse probably about 4 to 4:30. It's a very narrow band, as you note right there. The winds do pick up a little bit behind it, but that's going to come through probably by the time we get to about 7 a.m. It's east of the area. We will see breaks in the cloud cover in the morning, especially further south you go. As the system begins to merge with the other one to the south, it's going to deepen, and then we're going to see more wraparound cloud cover come back in the afternoon, along with some probably snow showers too that'll kind of filter through the area in the afternoon through the evening, and the wind will pick up at the same time. Notice the temperatures now are falling back into the upper teens to low 20s at this point, and they will continue to fall throughout the evening hour too, with that light snow kind of keep it going until about midnight. Overall snow amounts with that initial band is not a lot. It's very thin, potentially a ½ inch, maybe an inch if you're lucky. And then we have all that wraparound in the afternoon and evening. That'll probably, you could see another ½ inch, maybe another inch if you're lucky too. You see most of it is further to the east of us, and that's where the system really wraps up and deepens. They get more of the snow, but even then, it's not that impressive totals for what you would expect. So as we look at now dry conditions, we do have a little bit of a clipper system hitting maybe northern Wisconsin Sunday evening, so maybe Rusk County might see a few flakes with that. Otherwise, the next system that we're keeping an eye on comes really Monday night and Tuesday. That's going to be warm, and it's going to end up probably being more of a rain, maybe rain to snow. In the meantime, Sunday's highs, very average. Once again, some sunshine out there, not bad for January. And we get mild. Ahead of that next system, we'll be in the 30s to low 40s Monday. And Tuesday, pretty much everyone's going to be in the 40s pretty much before that system comes through and knocks our temperatures kind of back to where they should be for Wednesday. And then there's a stronger system, or at least with more cold air coming through Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, because this time next week, Saturday, we're going to be back into the teens, which is the first time we've been below average in quite a long time, too. So still mild, still average, so all in all, not too bad, with a little bit of snow here, too. So not too bad for early January.
Not at all.
Nope.
Thanks, Greg.